there are also different views within the dzogchen. But like a 21 nail, text like a 21 nail is the kind of ultimate, the answer for all of them. So, and particularly the text on Shangxun Yingju, like a 21 nail, it's the, how you say, in dzogchen they're called semde, longde, mengagde. So 3 different categories. This is like the mengadepa. And how does the semde, longde, mengade categorize also is because the one which emphasizes more the space, another one which emphasizes more the awareness, another one which emphasizes more non-dual. So even within the emphasis of space, awareness, or non-dual are even categorized as hierarchy also. When you only emphasize space, then you are also falling into some kind of category, not full. If you're only emphasizing awareness, you're also falling into some category, not full. But when you emphasize completely a sense of non-dual between the space and awareness, then it's more the ultimate sense of dzogchen practice. For example, when we talk about 3 doors and we talk about, you know, the space, awareness, and the warmth. So the warmth is arising from non-dual or union. So that's how in the practices emphasize. So these three how you say, not only the emphasis, intellectual emphasis on these 3 aspects should be equally emphasized, but also most importantly that when one abides in the nature of mind, that when you are abiding, actually being in that state of awareness, there is an equal amount of these 3 qualities. There is you're spacious, you're aware, it's space. It's like a 5-fold teaching of Dao Jansen. It's empty, but it's clear. It's clear, but it's empty. It's empty and clear. It's union. Then its union is not a how you say passive, but it's active manifestation. It's lively. So those all qualities are very important in these cycle of teaching. So that's what makes these cycle of teachings is very, very special.